So my first tip would be to try and sit near the back of the plane. Now, why in the back? Everyone wants to sit at the front, surely, because then you're first on and then you're first off. Well, actually, no. Firstly, does it really matter if you're the first on or the first off? I mean, everyone goes to the same destination. So, and most likely, especially with Brexit now, everyone's in the third party, the third country queue when you get to immigration, or you have to wait for them to deliver the bags. Sitting in the front is just, in my opinion, anyway, a little bit overrated. If you obviously it depends if you are traveling, like if you want to travel business class first, whatever, then of course you're going to be nearer the front and your baggage normally gets priority then anyway. But if you're just a standard tourist or nomad traveler, then really I don't see a huge advantage in sitting closer to the front. If you want extra legroom, then choose the extra legroom seats in the middle or over the wing. But that